Guys, you know what? Can you believe this? The wedding lehenga, like my wedding lehenga that I wore for my wedding, which I bought for 25,000 rupees from a shop in Mumbai where I went for my wedding shopping. I found the same lehenga on Amazon for 4,500 rupees. This actually happened, okay? What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamie. I hope all of you are doing super duper great. Welcome back to my Band Baja Budget series. कैसे हो सब लोग? So in case you are watching my videos for the first time, in case you are seeing this face for the first time, so then hi, I'm Jamie and I post new videos every week which is all about weddings. So you will find a lot of videos on wedding decorations, DIY wedding decorations, wedding planning, wedding shopping, wedding jewelry, makeup, all about wedding. So this channel is one-stop shop for all your wedding queries and solutions. So in case you haven't yet subscribed to my channel yet, please do take a moment and subscribe right now. So guys, as I mentioned in the start of this video, this was my wedding lehenga that I wore for my wedding and I bought this for 25,000 rupees from a shop in Mumbai. And a couple of days before, last week when I was just browsing through Amazon, I found this lehenga, exact ditto copy of my lehenga, and I saw the price for 4,500 rupees and I was actually very surprised and very shocked, and actually very sad also ki matlab what. So I really wanted to see if the quality was the same, how similar or how different they were, because I paid 25,000 rupees and here I saw the same copy of the lehenga for 4,500 rupees, that too on Amazon. So I ordered the lehenga home because I wanted to check the quality and I was so surprised, so taken aback, because both the lehengas are actually the same. They look the same, they feel the same, their quality is the same, everything, the work, the nature of the work and the design, the pattern, everything is the same. So guys, I have just unpacked the lehenga and I'm going to show you the blouse piece and the skirt in detail, the work and everything. So let's take a look one by one. So guys, to start with, this is the blouse piece. Let me show you. तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, इसके फ्रंट साइड, बैक साइड, दोनों साइड पे काम है एंड बोथ द स्लीव्स ऑल्सो हैव पूरा वर्क. सो इफ़ यू एक्चुअली सी, इसका जो काम है, इसका जो कलर है, इसका जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क है, एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी सिमिलर टू माई वेडिंग लहंगा. एंड ये जो कपड़ा भी है, दिस इज़ वेलवेट का. द क्लॉथ मटेरियल इज़ वेलवेट फैब्रिक एंड मेरा भी सेम था. सो दिस कॉम्बिनेशन एक्चुअली लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी. ये जो मैरून और पिंक वाला कॉम्बिनेशन है, आई एम श्योर ऑनेस्टली अभी ये थोड़ा सा कॉमन हो गया है, बट इवन अ ईयर बैक this was very much trending. आप सब लोगों को पता होगा, this was very much in, but now it has become not unpopular, but I would say this has become a bit common, but this actually looks very pretty. So guys, just to help you compare, this is the actual wedding lehenga blouse that I wore for my wedding, and on this side now I'm going to show you the dress material that I bought from Amazon. Both of them, they look the same, कुछ भी difference नहीं है. So in case you're gonna get the other one and stitch it, it's exactly gonna look like this. Now let me also show you the semi-stitched skirt that is a part of this lehenga. So this is the skirt. So now guys, coming to the skirt, this is the unstitched skirt that comes with the lehenga, as I mentioned. So this is the inner part and this is the outer part. तो इसमें भी पूरा ही heavy work है and the skirt is also a bit heavy. And as you can see, starting से ही नीचे तक पूरा work है and this material is again velvet and इस पे पूरा ही sequins and embroidery का काम है. This is actually very pretty and this is exactly same as my wedding lehenga yaar. This is the exact same copy of it. I really can't figure out कि इतना price difference क्यों है, and it's amazing. So yes, this has a patti here. So this actually looks very pretty. जब आप इसका skirt बनवाते हो तो ये बहुत सुंदर लगता है, because यहाँ पे ऐसे पूरा work है, नीचे तक पूरा work है. Also talking about the घेर, इसका घेर भी काफ़ी है, ऐसा नहीं कि बिल्कुल घेर नहीं है. See. So it has this much of space and घेर काफ़ी है. So guys, now let me show you the dupatta of this lehenga. So ये पूरा नेट का दुपट्टा है and इसमें भी पूरा सीक्वेंस का काम है. The border is of velvet and embroidery which is maroon in color. ये भी obviously similar to my own lehenga because this whole lehenga is the same. And ये वाला जो दुपट्टा है, the contrast combination looks very pretty of maroon and pink. Guys, in case you are actually searching for a budget lehenga and in case you like this is actually a very good pick. And because मैंने I really wanted to make this video after I personally check it from Amazon कि इसका quality कैसा है, and because I have seen it अभी मेरे आँखों से and I have compared both the लहंगास कि ये 4500 का है जो Amazon से आया है, सेम लहंगा मैंने शॉप से लिया था फॉर 25,000 रुपीज़, बोथ आर द सेम. सो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर लहंगा ऑब्वियसली आई कैन वाउच कि मतलब यार यू कैन टोटली गो फॉर दिस. And what else, guys? Always go for budget stuff for your weddings. Recently I saw Dia Mirza's interview where she had said that she picked up a sari for her wedding that she can use later on. She did not want her wedding sari to be just kept in her cupboard. She really wanted to be sustainable and use it later on. And I felt that is such a good idea, in many ways. Either don't spend a lot of money on your lehenga, or in case you're spending a lot of money on your wedding dresses, make sure that you can reuse it again. Especially मेरे केस पे क्या हुआ था, I spent like 50,000 rupees for my wedding dresses, 30,000 rupees for my gown, संगीत का gown, 25,000 rupees for my wedding lehenga, and I've never really worn it again. दोनों ऐसे fold करके ऊपर रखे हुए हैं, I've never worn it again. And now I see this same thing for 4,500. ठीक है, इट्स ओके, आई एम सैड, आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड, बट अगर मेरा दुख बांट के इफ इट कैन बी ऑफ हेल्प टू समवन, if somebody can be happy, so be it. So guys, in case you want to check out this particular lehenga, this is available on Amazon Fashion, Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in description. You guys can go check it out, take a look, and yeah, in case you like it, thank me later. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope कि आपको ये एक वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. I really wanted to make this video because I found this very interesting, and I was like, I really have to share this with everyone because the same lehenga, guys, the same lehenga for such a huge difference in prices. So obviously शादी का मार्केट बहुत ही बड़ा है. You go to different places, the prices changes. Online, offline, the prices changes. So you really need to research, you really need to look out for the best options. So before you decide on what you are wearing and all of that, बहुत अच्छे से research कर लो and get the best prices. Do your research. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. In case you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do take a moment and subscribe. We are 85,000 plus subscribers now, and I want to have that 100k soon. So please do subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. See you guys next week. Bye bye. Lots of love.